Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to learn how we can write the research article by one click using the NotebookLM. So let's jump into the video. First you need to go to the Google and write NotebookLM, and then there is a website, and just click on this and you will be able to log in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you can see three sections: left hand side, middle and right hand side. So today we will only learn about writing the paper. There are many functions. So click on the upload source. So you can insert the websites, or you can simply upload the PDFs if you have the research articles already downloaded. If you don't, then you can search and then add. So click on the upload file. So I have already uploaded like few papers, especially the research review papers, so that will help me to write the paper on the lithium-ion battery anodes. So just wait a moment, and once all are uploaded, then we can start. So all PDFs are uploaded. So I am going to simply write introduction for an original manuscript based on the literature review. So because introduction take a lot of times, try to read the papers, try to select some sentence which can be used for our articles. So simply you can write this sentence and just enter. So let's see what it's going to give us. Very comprehensive and very attractive introduction using these papers. I have uploaded about 9 papers. So here is the introduction. It starts from lithium-ion batteries because I have used the lithium-ion batteries anodes papers. So introduction is here, but you need the citations. So you can use the same papers. You can see this paper left hand side, you can cite here, and this is the introduction. You can play with it and make it more comprehensive, instruct it to especially add what kind of anodes you want to add into the introductions. You can copy and simply paste into the Word. Copy, and you can simply paste. So but these wording and sentences are from these articles, so there will be plagiarism. So you have to rewrite these articles either by yourself or using some AI tools. So that's it, how we can write the introductions very quickly within one click. Thank you very much.